All right, metalheads, we have got another Metal Munchie episode, and tonight we are going to be making
Karen's dressing.
Karen's dressing. Why it's called Karen's, I do not know, and I'm telling you right now, it has nothing to do with those masked Nazis running around out there chasing folks in parking lots.
Yeah, one of those Karens.
We're not talking about those Karens. I don't know why it's called Karen's dressing. I have no idea.
But anyways, guys, this is a great munchy food, or you can eat it for dinner. Just throw it on some chips.
This is more like a dip. Okay, this is more like a dip. Now, as you can see, you don't need a whole lot of shit. All you need is some hamburger meat, can of ranch-style beans, got some cream of mushroom soup, and cheddar cheese. That's all you need. And basically, I don't think we even need to make a video on because you pretty much know what we're gonna do.
But we're going to anyway.
But we're gonna do it anyway, so just all right, so here we go. We're gonna let this bad boy brown up a little bit, and then we will be back after when we're ready to do this. I think this is alchemy.
What?
This is some kind of witchcraft
Oh, it is, huh?
for your eating pleasure. All right. So we'll be right back when it's time to add. All right, guys, we got our meat nice and brown, ready for the. You got it over there? Taking notes?
I'm taking notes.
All right. Just quiet over there.
I'm
You're either hungry or you're confused. What the hell?
I think I'm a little hungry.
All right, well, I got you. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add our ranch-style beans. This is the easiest pour. Well, never mind. I thought it was the easiest pour. Man, these things used to come out so smooth.
You gonna add some more beans?
No, this is plain. So we're going to. Good God.
Let's just add some more.
I don't need to add any more. Look, I'm using a wooden spoon. Yep, there we go. All right, that's the ranch-style beans. I'm gonna add our cheddar cheese.
Don't you think you need to add some more beans?
No, I don't need to. What the hell is your obsession with beans? Like you need any more beans, you wind-blown ass.
Oh, you trying to say the more you eat, the more you do?
Well, I need no more damn beans. Turn this into a fuselage of methane emissions. Sorry guys, didn't mean to be so graphic. You sensitive types out there. And you know they're there. There's that guy that wears the man bun and the sandals. I want to learn to cook for my Betsy. Now we're going to add our cream of mushroom soup. Booyah. I say that like I just accomplished something.
So this is really good stuff.
It is. It's real good, believe it or
It's
not.
fast,
I know what
it's
people
easy.
think. When I told people this before, they looked at me like, oh, you are sick. What the hell is wrong with you? But trust me when I tell you,
It's really good.
once you mix this up, it is awesome.
I think you need to add some more beans.
I think you need to shut the. And look, guys, the final product just looks like munchy heaven right now, doesn't it? Look at that shit. What do you think? Does it look good?
Looks like munchy heaven to me.
Got my yoo-hoo! All right.
All right, I'm ready to munch.
Well, get over here. You be the taste tester. You go ahead, taste test it. Go for it. Go over there and get you a scoop. She's like, I don't want to see.
Oh, good.
Really good? There it is, mother. We got to exploit delete. We have to delete half your stuff out. Sorry, you're very vulgar. All right, so that is Karen's dressing, people. That's probably what is wrong with me because I grew up on this. This is a cheap meal. You don't like $6, I think, is like the most you're gonna pay. It's like $4, $3 or something for just a hamburger meat. Cheap meal, and it will feed a family of 3. Relatively good. and probably a lot more. You're gonna probably need some more if you got a house party or something and your buddies. But it adds to the flavor. The plain old queso dip and shit everybody else gets. Bring some of this.